In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or lock a file on Google Drive. This is a great skill to have when you want to keep certain documents private while still enjoying the convenience of cloud storage. So let's dive in and get started on how you can easily manage the visibility and security of your files. First, you'll want to go to the home page of Google Drive. If you're not already there, open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see a list of all your stored files and folders. Take a moment to locate the specific file you wish to hide or lock. This would be the file whose visibility you want to control more securely. Next, after identifying your target file, hover your cursor over the file and right-click on it. Right-clicking will open a drop-down menu that gives you multiple options related to file management. This is where you'll access the features needed to modify how your file is shared or accessed. If you're using a Mac, remember that you'll need to hold down the Control key as you click to simulate a right-click. As you navigate through the drop-down options, hover over the selection labeled as File Information. This is the section where you'll find details and various settings related to your file. By hovering here, another set of options will appear, which includes the controls necessary for securing your file. Once the secondary menu appears, you'll notice an option labeled Lock. Go ahead and click on this option. This feature is specifically designed to restrict access and make your file more private by limiting who can view or edit it. By locking the file, you essentially activate its restricted mode, ensuring that anyone without explicit permissions cannot open or alter it. To finalize this action, click on Lock once more in the confirmation dialog that pops up. This step is crucial as it confirms that you truly wish to lock the file, preventing any accidental clicks from making unintended changes to your security settings. Upon selecting this, your file will now be locked, minimizing the risk of unwanted access. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to hide or lock a file on Google Drive. This quick and effective process helps you ensure that your sensitive documents remain secure and only accessible to those you choose. By mastering this technique, you're now better equipped to protect your digital assets in the cloud. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become in managing your files efficiently. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Happy organizing!